Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Sel. In today's video, I'm going to clean and reorganize our under the sink here in our half bathroom and under our kitchen sink. If you're in need of cleaning motivation and organizing ideas, I hope that this video inspires you and gives you tons of motivation to get your own home clean and organized with me. As you see, I did set up an organization system here, but I'm just on the edge to change it again. Honestly, I think I could do a better job here this time. Like always, I like to empty the space every time I'm organizing or reorganizing so that not only I can start with a clean slate, but also so that I can take this time to actually wipe down here completely. If you are new here, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Sel. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. If you like and enjoy home organization videos like this, as well as cleaning motivation and seasonal home decorating, I would love for you to stick around and join my YouTube family. I upload this kind of contents every Friday, so be sure to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Moving on here in our kitchen under the sink, I have an organization system set up here, but for some reason it still looks a little messy to me. I don't know if it's because of the piping and the garbage disposal in the middle, but I wanted to make this space a little more neater and tidier. I'm really satisfied how this space turned out and the half bathroom as well. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you're interested to know about the products I use in this video, I will have the link in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of house chore, as well as give you an idea on how to organize your own space. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like these. Comment down below and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I truly appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!